Dictionary is a data type which has paired keys for its values. Let's take an analogy. Assume that you have a science textbook in your hand and there are different chapters which deals with a particular topic. Say chapter 1 deals with environment, chapter 2 deals with forces. Your friend comes to you and asks, what is chapter 1? Your answer would be, it's about environment. That's how exactly a dictionary works. To create a dictionary, you have to create a variable equals curly brackets. Inside that curly brackets, name of the key, semicolon, value of the key. Remember, the name of the key can only be of type string and int, not any other data type, but value of the key can be of any data type. The above analogy can be converted into a dictionary. Let's create a variable textbook equals curly brackets chapter 1 semicolon environment comma chapter 2 semicolon forces, and at last print parenthesis inside parenthesis textbook list brackets inside the list brackets chapter 1. The output would be environment. This line of code tells Python, hey, create a variable textbook, assign dictionary data type, and the second line tells Python to go to the variable textbook and fetch the value for the key chapter 1